Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honoured when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated and we love sharing it with others. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we will see you soon.